It's not about being right, it's about getting it right. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. Part of becoming the best version of yourself and growing and becoming successful is realizing that you don't have to be right every single time. It's about getting it right. Most of us live through life, trying to prove ourselves, proving that we're right in every single argument, trying to win an argument, trying to prove that we're the best, trying to prove and be heard instead of getting things right. We want things so much that we almost assume that things should work out straight away. Maybe you want to learn how to drive, maybe you're starting a business, maybe you're having a career change. You almost feel like, okay, I've done my bit, so I'm right. I've practiced my driving lessons, so I should pass. You're not entitled to that. It's all about making sure that you get things right. Even if it takes 10 times to pass your driving test, it's about getting it right. There's no point of you arguing your way, passing your test and then having an accident tomorrow because you actually are clearly not prepared. So it's about taking the time to get things right. Even if it's something like starting your business, there's no point of taking shortcuts so you can just say, okay, I've got an up and running business, and then realize maybe you're not filing your taxes properly, maybe you're not doing things properly, and it was going to come back and haunt you. So you have to make sure that you're doing things right. It's not just about you being right, it's about getting things right. Sometimes things aren't going to go right for you. Don't spend too much time arguing on why things should be this way. Why not just take the time to learn and get it right? Take the time to put in all the efforts. Don't take shortcuts. Get things right. It's even in relationships, people spend so much time trying to put their point across, trying to explain why the partner should have done this, their partner should have done that. But are you actually maybe listening to why they did that thing? Instead of just striving to be heard and striving to be right, why not try and get it right the next time round? Remember, to be the best version of yourself will mean having to listen to other people as well, and striving to make sure that you're getting things right and just not doing things so they can be done. Do it in the right way, and even if it's maybe losing weight, do it in the right way. Don't just go on this diet that would actually impact your health. It's not about just getting it right, it's about doing it right as well. It's not about being right, it's not about, okay, now I've lost weight. No, but how are you feeling internally? Are you still healthy? So you have to get things right. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you on my next one.